Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my all-time favorite chocolate cake recipe. This cake is rich, moist, and perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour,
Half cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, a half cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of boiling water. First, let's mix our dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, add the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Post sifting the dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl and whisking them together. Give it a good whisk until everything is well combined. Next, we'll add our wet ingredients. Crack 2 large eggs into the dry mixture, followed by the milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Post cracking eggs and pouring in milk, oil, and vanilla. Using an electric mixer to blend. Mix this on medium speed until it's nice and smooth. Now, here's the secret to making the cake extra moist: boiling water. Slowly pour the boiling water into the batter, mixing as you go. Pouring the boiling water into the mixture and blending on low speed. The batter becomes thin. Don't worry if the batter seems thin, that's exactly what we want. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans, then divide the batter evenly between them. Post greasing the pans, dusting them with flour, and pouring in the batter. Give the pans a little tap to release any air bubbles. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and bake the cakes for 30 to 35 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Post placing the pans in the oven and setting the timer. While the cakes are baking, it's the perfect time to prepare your frosting. 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened. 3½ cups of powdered sugar. A half cup of cocoa powder. A half cup of whole milk. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Display frosting ingredients on the counter. In a large bowl, beat the butter until it's creamy. Gradually add the powdered sugar and cocoa powder, alternating with the milk. Finally, mix in the vanilla extract. Post making the frosting, using a